Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best luxury smart bidet toilet seats that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product link in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Canist Luxury Smart Toilet with Bidet, model FC001. This advanced luxury bidet toilet is packed with features designed to make your bathroom experience both comfortable and convenient. Some standout features include its auto open-close lid, ADA comfort height design, and dual auto flush functionality. The foot sensor adds a touchless convenience, while the warm air dryer and rear wash ensure hygienic cleaning every time. Plus, the built-in deodorization feature keeps your bathroom fresh, making it an eco-friendly choice for modern households. The design is sleek and modern, with the ceramic build lending a premium feel to the toilet. Despite its impressive range of features, the Canist toilet weighs 99 pounds, so installation might require extra effort. Its LED display and nightlight provide easy navigation in low light, while the tank design ensures powerful flushing even for homes with low water pressure. This is ideal for families or homes where water pressure is a concern. However, the FC001 model is on the heavier side and might not suit those looking for something lightweight. Additionally, the price is not explicitly available, which could be a drawback for budget-conscious buyers. Overall, the Canist Luxury Smart Toilet is perfect for people seeking a high-end, feature-packed solution that prioritizes comfort and hygiene. Its advanced features might justify the investment for those who value convenience and modern aesthetics. Coming in at number 4 is the Enis N22 electric heated bidet toilet seat. This model offers a tankless design, meaning it provides direct warm water for cleansing without delay. Its stainless steel nozzle is self-cleaning and corrosion-resistant, ensuring durability over time. With adjustable water pressure, nozzle position, and temperature settings, the Enis N22 allows for a fully customized cleaning experience tailored to your preferences. Plus, its built-in dryer adds another layer of convenience, reducing the need for toilet paper. The design of the Enis N22 is understated yet elegant, making it an easy addition to any modern bathroom. The soft close mechanism enhances the overall experience by eliminating noisy lid slams, and the eco-friendly mode helps conserve energy and reduce costs. The heated seat is particularly useful during colder months and is adjustable for added comfort. Installation is straightforward, requiring under 30 minutes for DIY enthusiasts, making this bidet accessible to most users. On the downside, this bidet toilet seat is limited to elongated toilets and will not fit round models, so be sure to measure your toilet before purchasing. While it offers solid performance and plenty of features, it might lack some of the advanced smart options seen in higher-ranked models. Overall, the Enis N22 is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, eco-friendly bidet with modern convenience features at a reasonable price point. In third place is the LED Smart Bidet Toilet Seat, a compact yet highly functional option for those looking for versatility and ease of use. This model boasts 4 cleaning modes, adjustable water pressure and angle, and instant warm water functionality for an enhanced hygiene experience. Its remote control and side knob make operation simple and intuitive, while the self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle ensures long-lasting cleanliness and durability. The LED bidet is lightweight at just 7.5 pounds, making installation a breeze. Its streamlined design includes a soft close lid, eliminating loud noises and adding a touch of luxury to your bathroom. The heated seat with a 3-level temperature adjustment is a nice bonus, especially during colder seasons. The bidet also provides warm air drying, which is ideal for users with sensitive skin or those looking to minimize toilet paper usage. While the LED Smart Bidet toilet seat delivers on essential features, it does lack some of the advanced functionalities available in higher-end models, such as automated flushing or nightlights. Additionally, it might not be the best option for families who require a more robust bidet system for heavy use. That said, its 2-year warranty and affordable price make it a great value for those who want a reliable and comfortable bidet without breaking the bank. At number 2, we have the Eplo iX7MT Smart Toilet with bidet built in. This luxury bidet toilet is feature-packed, offering heated seating, a high-speed dryer, automatic flush options, and a foam dispenser for enhanced hygiene. The ADA Comfort Height design provides accessibility for users of all ages, making it a great choice for households with seniors or people with mobility challenges. The LED temp display adds a futuristic touch, showing real-time water, seat, and air temperature settings. The Eplo iX7MT stands out for its tankless operation and siphonic jet flush technology, ensuring powerful and efficient flushing, even in homes with low water pressure. The night light feature guides you in the dark, while the self-cleaning nozzle and blackout flushing functionality enhance convenience. The Kick Flush feature is a fantastic touch for touchless operation, further improving hygiene, with ETL and CUPC certifications. This model ensures compliance with industry standards and top-notch quality. However, weighing 103 pounds, this toilet is on the heavier side and might require professional installation. Additionally, while its features are impressive, the price might be a concern for budget-conscious buyers. If you're looking for a luxury smart toilet that combines performance, convenience, and style, the Eplo iX7MT is hard to beat. And finally, taking the top spot is the Smart Bidet SB1000WE electric bidet toilet seat. This model combines affordability and premium features to deliver an outstanding bathroom experience. It offers 3 oscillating wash modes for front and rear cleaning, as well as adjustable water pressure, temperature, and nozzle positions to suit your personal preferences. The built-in warm air dryer eliminates the need for toilet paper, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. The Smart Bidet SB1000WE features a soft close lid and seat, ensuring quiet operation and durability. The haptic touch remote control is user-friendly and even comes with a convenient wall mount, making adjustments simple and intuitive. Installation is straightforward, with step-by-step instructions included, so you don't need to be a DIY expert to get it set up. Its elongated shape makes it a perfect fit for most modern toilets. With a price of $251.99, this bidet delivers tremendous value for money, making it both a budget and premium option simultaneously. While it might lack some of the advanced features seen in pricier models, like temperature displays or automated flushing, it excels in offering reliable performance and essential features. If you're looking for the best combination of affordability, functionality, and comfort, the Smart Bidet SB1000WE is a clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.